Huh. Um, so our f of x will be minus of f of minus x. It means that the function is odd function. Okay. Now, since the function is odd function, a naught is 0 and a n is equal to 0, so our Fourier series is given by f of x is equal to summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sine n pi x by l. Okay. Now, in order to find bn, we know that bn is equal to from 2 by l, 0 to l, f of x sine n pi x by l dx. Okay, so yeah, let us find this integral. So our l is equal to pi, so it is 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x is x sine n pi x by l. So l is pi, so it is pi dx. Okay, so pi pi will get cancelled and we are having 2 by pi integration 0 to pi x sine nx dx. Okay, so yeah, so there is a trick there is one trick associated in order to find the integration of algebraic and trigonometric term. So you can do it like this, just write your algebraic function here and your trigonometric function here. Okay, now derivate this term and integrate this term. Now, so derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 is 0, and integration of sine nx is minus cos nx by n, and integration of minus cos nx by n is minus sine nx by n square. Okay, and add alternate plus minus sign here above, so we are adding plus minus and plus. Now cross multiply these terms, so you will get the value of integral. Okay, so the value of integral will become minus x by n cos nx plus sine nx by n square. Okay, so this is our value of integral and we just put the limits up to here, so 0 to pi. Okay, so our result become 2 by pi minus x by n cos nx plus sine nx by n square, and our limits is 0 to pi. Okay, now see, we know that sine 0 is equal to 0, so sine n pi will always equal to 0 with irrespective the value of n. Okay, and our cos n pi will be minus 1 power n, because see, if n is equal to 0, then cos 0 will equal to 1. If n is equal to 1, then cos pi will equal to minus 1. Okay, so in general cos n pi will be minus 1 power n. Now just put the limits in this integral, we get, so 2 by pi. So if we put pi here, then what we will get is minus pi minus 1 power n by n, and sin n pi is equal to 0, and if we put 0 here, so eventually the whole term will become 0. Okay, so we are left with 2 by pi minus 1 power n plus 1. So what we have done is here, so we add this minus sign with this power. Okay, so it will become n plus 1 and this minus sign will go on, divided by n. So finally we get 2 by pi minus 1 power n plus 1. Okay, so this is our value of bn. Now in order to find the Fourier series, so the Fourier series for f of x is equal to x in minus pi to pi is given by, so the Fourier series given by f of x is equal to summation n is equal to 1 से लेके infinity bn sin n pi x by l. Okay, so our f of x will be equal to x is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinity. So what is our bn? Bn is 2 by pi minus 1 power n plus 1. This is bn, and sine n pi x by l. So l is pi, pi will get cancelled. We are having sine x. Okay. Now just expand this series. So x will equal to, so if we put n is equal to 1, that is 1 plus 1 2, this will become 1. So we are having 2 by pi sine x. So we'll take 2 by pi common on this side. Now if we put n is equal to 2, then this will equal to minus 1, and it is become sine 2x. Okay, so minus sine 2x. Okay. I'm really sorry, I have made some mistake here, so I forgot to divide it by n here. Okay, so one n will also come. So yeah, here it will become 2. Now if we put n is equal to 3, then we will get 1 by 3 sine 3x. If we get n is equal to 4, we will get minus 1 by 4 sine 4x, and so on. Okay, now this is our Fourier series of the given function. Now if we put x is equal to pi by 2, then what we'll get? Okay, so if our x is equal to pi by 2, then we will get so pi by 2 is equal to 2 by pi. So sine pi by 2 is 1, and so sine 2 pi. So if we 2 into pi by 2, it's pi, this term will become 0, and sine 3 pi by 2 will become minus 1 by 3. Okay, so plus 1 by 3, and it is minus 1, plus 1 by 4 into 0, and so on. So this is the required thing that we need to find. So this summation 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7 will become I'm sorry, I did one mistake, I guess. If x is equal to pi by 2, then 2 by oh shit, this pi term will also gone. Okay, so here pi is also there, so this pi will get cancelled. So yeah, this pi will get cancelled. Okay, so yeah, this pi will get cancelled. Now so our result is pi by 4. So answer is pi by 4. It is the answer. Okay, now if we solve second problem, so let us solve one more problem to clear the concept further. So the Fourier series for the function f of x is equal to x square in minus pi to pi, and hence find the value of 1 plus 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 4 square, and so on. Okay, now see, so here f of x is x square. We know that this function is even function, so our bn will equal to 0. So our Fourier series is given by f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by n. Okay, now our an is equal to 2 by l integration 0 to l f of x cos n pi x by l dx, and our a naught is 2 by l integration 0 to l f of x dx. Okay, so let us first find the value of a naught. So what is our a naught? Okay, So if we find a naught, then our a naught is 2 by L integration 0 to L f of x dx. Okay, so L here is equal to pi, so 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x is x square dx. Okay, so it becomes 2 by pi, so x square dx will be x cube by 3 from 0 to pi. If we put 0, then this result becomes 0, so our value of integral is 2 by 3 pi into pi cube. So pi will get cancelled, we get 2 by 3 pi square. Okay, so our value of a naught will be equal to 2 pi square by 3. Now if we find the value of an, then an is equal to 2 by L integration 0 to L f of x cos n pi x by L dx. Okay, so L is pi, so it is 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x is x square cos n pi x by L, so pi will get cancelled, we are having nx dx. Okay, so I told you the trick to solve this kind of integral. So you will write x square here and cos nx here. Okay, so just derivate this term, so you will get 2x to 0. So integration of cos nx is sin nx by n. Integration of sin nx is minus cos nx by n square, and integration of cos nx is minus sin nx by n cube. Okay, so just add alternate plus minus sign here, so plus minus and cross multiply the whole terms. So you will get the value of integral as x square sin nx by n, so minus will become plus, so plus 2x cos nx by n square minus 2 sin nx by n cube. Okay, so this is the value of our integral. Now if we put the limits, then limits are from 0 to pi. Okay, so let us consider if we put the value of 0, so this term will become 0, this term will become 0, and cos sin 0 is 0, so the lower limit results in 0 itself. So we need to deal with pi only. So see, we know that sin n pi will become sin n pi is equal to 0, then this term will go on. Okay, now if we talk about second term, then it will give some result, and if we talk about this term will also go on. Okay, so what we are having is 2 pi by n square into cos n pi. Okay, we know that cos n pi is equal to minus 1 power n, so what we are having is 2 pi by n square minus 1 power n. Okay, this is the value of our integration that we have solved. Now put that value in this, we are having 2 by pi, so the total value of an will be equal to 2 by pi 2 pi by n square minus 1 power n. Okay, so pi will get cancelled, so we are left with 4 by n square minus 1 power n. Okay, so finally the Fourier series for f of x is equal to x square in minus pi to pi is given by f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n by x by l. Okay, so yeah, so f of x is our x square is equal to a naught by 2. So what is the value of our a naught? So a naught is 2 pi square by 3. Okay, so a naught is 2 pi square by 3, so 2 pi square by 3 into 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an. What is the value of an? So an is 4 by n square minus 1 power n, and it is cos, so l is pi, so pi will get cancelled, we will get cos nx. Okay, so further solving this equation, we are having x square is equal to 2 will get cancelled, we are having pi square by 3 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity 4 by n square minus 1 power n cos nx. Okay, so yeah, this is the thing. So if we solve for some values of n, then we are having x square is equal to pi square by 3 plus, so if we put n is equal to 1, then what we are getting, so this will become minus 1. Okay, 4 we are taking common here, so 4, so 1 by n square, it will become minus 1, so minus 1, and cos x will become x. Okay, similarly if we put n is equal to 2, then we are having 1 by 2 square and cos 2x. Okay, if we put n is equal to 3, then we are having minus 1 by 3 square cos 3x, and so on. Okay, so just put n is equal to pi. So if x is equal to pi, so if our x is equal to pi, then we will get pi square is equal to pi square by 3 plus 4 1 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 4 square, and so on. Okay, so our main agenda is to find the value of this. Now we will get, so this value 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus so on up to infinity is equal to pi square minus pi square by 3 divided by 1 by 4. So we will get 3, so it will become 2 pi square into 1 by 4, so we will get pi square by 6. Okay, so our final answer is pi square by 6. This is our answer. Okay, so this is about Fourier series. You can solve the question by using these types of method. Okay, so thank you.